Hey, it's RC Thornton here, tax professional, and I wanted to make a quick video because we are coming up at the end of 2020 here. It is the middle of November 2020, and one thing that I notice for a lot of people that have tax problems is when January rolls around, I start really hearing from a lot of people that they want to start fixing their tax problems. I think it's like a New Year's resolution or something for many people, and I think that's really great. But there's one thing that I always wanted people to be aware. You know, if you're in that situation where you're thinking, you know, the new year, after the holidays, you know, that'll be my New Year's resolution to take care of my tax problem in January or February of next year or March. I want to let you know that waiting until that time to take care of this problem could be a really big mistake. It's actually the truth that starting to fix your IRS problem at the end of the year, bar none, is by far the best time to try to fix this problem. And waiting until next year is a big mistake. So let me share with you exactly why that is. So one thing that I really harp on and I've really talked about in these videos that I've made in the past is that you have to really understand why you have a problem with the IRS in the first place. IRS problems are a symptom of something else going wrong in your life or your business. And what that thing normally is, as we've already talked about, is you don't have the proper tracking and management of the money in your business and in your life. Look, if you don't track your income and expenses, if you don't manage your cash flow, if your expenses are outstripping your income, if your cash flow is erratic and you're not planning for that, then obviously you're going to end the year and not have enough money to pay taxes, right? So your lack of management of your whole situation is what's creating this tax problem. It's not by, magic. It's not by a mysterious thing that you don't have the ability to make those payments. It is because your finances are not managed properly. So that's why so many of my clients and so many people with tax problems, it's not like just 1 year they had a really tough year. They have so many years, multiple years that add up to a massive balance that they owe, right? Because they're not tracking and managing. So the most important thing about fixing a tax problem is to break that cycle, to break the cycle of every single year owing more money that you can't afford to pay. Because not only, number one, do we want to help you actually resolve the problem and not just keep kicking the can, but I won't say more importantly, but of equal importance is, even if we negotiate something with the IRS, if you just turn around and have another year of owed money, they just revoke that and you have to start all over again and they might not even negotiate with you anymore. So by definition, if the reason that people have such bad problems with the IRS is because their money isn't managed well, we need to fix that problem really first. So think about it logically. If you're trying to fix that problem, when's the best time to do it? It's right before the new year. Because if you get in there now in November and December and you really change stuff in your business and change stuff in your life, so you are now officially on top of your metrics and your numbers in your business, you can start 2021 and be like, hey man, I'm ready. We got all this stuff ready to go to really kick butt in 2021 and keep on top of things. Then you go in there, you fix your problem with the IRS and everything is great. But the people that wait, it's like you're part of the way through the year. It's January or February or March, maybe later. You haven't even started to think about that. You're just perpetuating the same problem already. Now, I can help someone like that, but it's a lot harder versus if you have a clean, fresh start and you've prepared ahead of time to get that clean, fresh outcome in your life. What I would honestly say to you is, of all the clients I've had, the ones who get started in November and December have by far the best outcomes. So this is a great time to do it. Do not let the old style thinking of, I'm gonna wait till after the holidays, it's Thanksgiving, it's Christmas, I'm busy, I have family and all of that. That's great, but do not let that holiday procrastination idea screw you out of the life and the business you deserve. Do not let that silly thinking keep you from getting the results you want in your life. This is the best time to gear up and start to kick butt for 2021 is right now. And I sincerely mean that. Of all the clients I've had, this is the best time to do it. And those are the people that have gotten the best results. So, if you listen to this and you're thinking, look, RC, you're right. I need to start at least talking about and start figuring out how I want to address this situation with the IRS. I wanted to invite you to apply for a tax strategy session with me. Somewhere around this video, probably below it, there's going to be a link where you can schedule that. It's a time with me, and I'll just get on the phone with you and we'll talk about what your situation is. We'll go over it, and if I think I can help, I'll share with you what it is. It's, as I always say in these videos, it's not a sales pitch. It's not like some pressure weirdo deal, but it's really an opportunity for me as a licensed tax professional to be able to share with you what I think could really help change your life and truly implement lasting change so you can move on and you can get this IRS situation under control. Do not wait until the new year. Do not procrastinate. Do not say after the holidays. Do what you got to do to win and succeed. And if this resonates with you, I certainly look forward to talking with you soon.